B2B lead generation today requires a multifaceted approach. You need to take a blended approach to your lead generation. Your prospective customers are using a range of communication tools during different stages of their decision-making process. LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, email, telephone, face-to-face, events. They'll probably use a mixture of these to engage with suppliers and find out product and service information. I manage new business campaigns on behalf of clients from around the world. Of course, I also have to generate new leads for my own business. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to share some top tips about our blended approach to lead generation. Welcome to our Sales Academy. Today it's cold calling, and don't let anyone tell you that cold calling is dead. Invariably, every research piece I read and every survey of salespeople I read, their preferred way to engage with prospects is by talking to them. Ideally face to face, but if not, then over the phone. It's understandable why. If you're speaking to someone, you can listen, you can engage, you can influence, build rapport, overcome objections, and create a great relationship. So to do that means you're going to have to pick up the phone and speak to people. And invariably that means cold calling.